My name is Okon. I'm from Akwa Ibom State, Ikot State local government. My company name is Moto. I've been doing this work for more than 35 years now, right away from Kano till this Abuja. I have passion on the job very well. The job takes me to many places and I enjoy the job. The most common engine problem is jacking, because it's very common either from fuel, from water, from what the car can start misbehaving. Okay, when I want to buy any lubricant, that is engine oil, I go through the oil. I have to look at the alphabet. It's not a matter of the names. There's an alphabet that you take. You know that oil can deliver that engine very well. It can cover up to a long distance, 5,000 kilometers with that oil before you drill it out. So you have to look at the lifespan of the oil by the number. We have CD, we have NS from the AIP. And the fake one is all the engine. It burns fast, very fast. It will gather a carbon inside the engine. When once it has started getting carbon inside the engine, it is wrong oil. And those wrong oil, mostly people don't understand the good oil. So if you go at the low point, because oil have the one of generator and the one of machine, then the one of vehicle. The kilometer. You know you have covered up to 5,000 kilometers. You know you are going up to the full service. The next one is about the oil they are going to use. If you are using a good oil, synthetic can give you more than 5,000 kilometers. But if you are using ordinary, it's just 5,000. Well, I don't need to smell it. It's a nice oil. Most of the models of the cars now, they don't need thick oil again. They need a light oil so that the oil pump can be able to perform well. If you put the normal oil thick ones, it can't work again. This very quality is SM/CF. It works on multiple cars. You can still use it among the latest car. You can still revise it back to 2003. It's going to work well in any vehicle. I'm approved people to buy it.